Hi, this is Abhishek Chandra from Wonderman MSc. In this video, I am going to cover how to include progressive profiling in Marketo forms. When we configure progressive profiling, we can present new fields to the visitors who has come back to a form, and with this we can progressively fill out the profile of the visitor. To include progressive profiling, first we need to create a form. I've already created a form, and when I click on edit form, it will show all the fields which I have created in this form. So you can see there are 7 fields. Now to include progressive profiling, first we need to go to form settings, and under settings we find progressive profiling. So it is right now it is disabled, so I have to make it enabled. And as soon as I enable it and I go to field details, I can see progressive profiling box have appeared on the form. Now the next step is to drag and drop the fields we want in progressive profiling. For example, if I want to include 3 fields, let's say state, annual revenue, and job title. So it means the first 4 fields, first name, last name, email address, and company name, these 4 fields are fixed, which will always appear on the form. And then out of these 3 fields, we need to select how many we want to be appeared on the form, and for that we need to set the progressive profiling properties. When I click on the progressive profiling, it will show the properties, and here you can find the number of blank fields. I can select 1, 2, or 3 based on our requirement or the number of fields. For example, I have selected number of blank fields as 1. Now click next. It will ask that follow with, we can stay on this page or we can select another page, and we can also define the page when we use this form in the landing page, and click finish and approve and close. I've also used the same form on a landing page. I will approve the landing page. And when I look at the landing page, I can see the form. It includes 5 fields. The first 4, first name, last name, email address, and company name, which are the fixed fields. And the 5th one is the annual revenue. Now when I filled out the information in this, and submit it. So I filled out the form and submitted. Now let's go back to the form or go back to the landing page and see what fields will appear this time. So now I have come back on this form. Now this time I am not getting annual revenue as the field. This time I am getting state as the field. So with the help of this progressive profiling, I can get additional details for the visitors, and with the help of this we can have their complete profile in our Marketo database or in our CRM. So this is all about the progressive profiling.